It could never happen to me until it did. Our good friend, Mr. Rajiv, is a man of principles, and after working for almost 30 years, is now looking forward to a comfortable retirement with family and friends. He is an avid reader and spends his time reading, watching news about what's happening around the country and the broader world. He always follows government announcements about financial schemes to help Indian citizens. One fine day, he gets a forwarded message on WhatsApp in one of the groups that he is part of. This is a new fabulous scheme that the government has launched to generate passive income for its citizens. Wait, there are also financial dignitaries that we highly respect who are themselves hailing this as an incredible opportunity. Mr. Rajiv, who was skeptical initially, but after listening to these dignitaries promoting the scheme, decides to register and fills in the registration form. After all, what's the harm in just filling a form? Let's understand what's exciting about it. After some time, the scheme specialist calls. Now, Mr. Rajiv is convinced that this is a great scheme, and after all, they're only asking for 21,000. He makes a UPI payment of 21,000 to kickstart his enrollment in the scheme. Later, he also receives his account details to log on to this amazing website. He is able to track and manage each of his investments. This is when his journey starts. His money starts growing at a rapid rate. After the first few transactions, he is able to withdraw his earnings of rupees 4 lakhs. This also convinces him that the scheme is trustworthy and he starts to invest more. In total, he invests around rupees 50 lakhs. Now, 6 months have passed since the first investment, and overall, his portfolio has almost doubled. Mr. Rajiv is a man of limited aspirations, and he is content with this much profit, and now tries to withdraw his earnings. This is when he hits a wall of false excuses that the withdrawal is delayed due to some reason or the other. Until one day, the reality hits Mr. Rajiv that he fell to an elaborate scam and all his hard-earned retirement savings are gone. Unfortunately, this story is not only of Mr. Rajiv, but of lakhs and lakhs of Indians. EnfoldAI is here to fight fraudsters in real time. The app is available on the Google Play Store. Just search for EnfoldAI to install it. During setup, users are clearly guided on what the app does, how their data is handled, and why it needs to be the default SMS app. Now, what if Mr. Rajiv had EnfoldAI installed on his phone? Remember, the fraudsters sent registration link through SMS. EnfoldAI would have marked it as spam and protected Mr. Rajiv from clicking on it. The fraud link on WhatsApp would have been blocked. The fraud link on email, blocked. Even call forwarding codes to hack WhatsApp, blocked. Any bad link, e-challan, trading scam, fake apps, all blocked. No matter what the criminal tries, EnfoldAI protects. Users can also block spammy businesses and all their associated numbers forever. EnfoldAI also provides a 24/7 emergency cyber helpline in which users can call any time for help on cybersecurity issues. These are answered by experts who will provide help on various topics like filling in detailed cybercrime report on National Cybercrime Reporting Portal, tracking the status of your complaint, if your money gets frozen, how to recover it back into their accounts. Install EnfoldAI today and stay protected from digital fraud. EnfoldAI stays alert so you can stay safe.